Hi, my name is Dean Furness, and I've been a past summit speaker for a couple of summits now, the past two. And what really sets Summit apart in my mind is your ability to not only get some great sessions, and they really are great sessions, so much better than some of the other conferences, but you get a chance to network with a lot of people that really have the same passion that you do. But as a speaker, what at Past Summit, what's really exciting, in my opinion, is not so much having an opportunity to speak on the technical track, but also to speak in some of the business driving or professional development tracks. I had an opportunity last year to speak in one of those tracks, and it's amazing how the people or the attendees gravitate towards some of those items of content beyond just the technology components. But anyway, again, Summit is a great opportunity to speak at. It's something that I'm really proud to have on my resume, and I'm looking forward to doing it again this fall. Hope to see you there.